Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to make egg roll recipe. Here are the ingredients. Crack the egg and put it into a bowl. Beat the eggs until it mixed well, and then start adding black pepper and salt. In my case, I put a lot of black pepper because I really love black pepper. You can also add garlic powder if you like. Get 1 carrot and then cut it into half. I'm using half because I will chop them later. Peel the carrot and then slice them thinly, just like that. Add the chopped carrots into the egg. Slice some spring onion. Slice it thinly. And then add it into the mixture. Some white onion. You can add garlic if you want. In my case, I don't like garlic, so I will add white onion. Chop it and then add it in the mixture. Add some granules for the balance of taste. And now we are ready to fry our egg. Put some little oil in our frying pan. We need to make sure that the fire is in low heat, very low. Add half of our mixture in the frying pan. I repeat, need to be very low the fire so that we will not burn our egg, and then gently flip the egg. First, one side of the egg, just like that. Need to follow this procedure so that we can get perfect shape of our egg roll, just like that. Shortly pause in the middle and then flip, just like that. Then move them backward and then add more, and then add all the mixture. Repeat this procedure, just like that. Pause shortly in the middle, then flip, then move backward the egg, then gently massage the egg with your spoon so that some bubbly part will be flattened, just like that. Just repeat this process slowly. Gently flip the egg in each side. Then please be reminded that the fire must be very low. There you go. Our egg roll is done. You can just serve just like this without cutting and just use spoon. In my case, I love cutting, so I moved the egg roll back to my chopping board and then cut them into even pieces and then move them back on my long dish to serve, just like that. Here is our egg roll in perfect shape. You can make sauce. In my case, I like mayonnaise with little ketchup. In your case, you can add any kind of sauce you would like to pair with this easy recipe. Next time, I will teach you how to make basic sauce for most of the Korean dishes. Hope you enjoy my recipe, and then please subscribe for more videos. Do some requests and I will make food for you. Easy recipe.